prayer you offer in front of Bhagavan, he accepted the offer and gave enormous boons to you. Such a powerful Padaka. Yesterday I talked about the greatness of Padaka and greatness of Bhagavan Yogi Ram Surat Kumar, how the way in which he gave the Padaka, touching and put it on his head, heart. Such a powerful Padaka. That was given by Paramguru Yogi Ram Surat Kumar at Thiruvannamalai and gave the direction how to go, how to reach Kanimada Mantralayam.